Commercial break? Okay, we'll be right back with the mixer. And we're back with the mixer. This is actually a wire whisk. I've never used this before. Well, I have, but not on TV. We're just going to use this because we want to, we want to do this the old-fashioned way, like the Pilgrims would have done it. Because I'm sure that the Pilgrims oftentimes made this stuff for their Thanksgiving dinners. Because that's what they do. They have Thanksgiving every day. And then you just mix that up. It's all smooth and stuff. I don't think this is gonna work. Well, there's nothing to it, really, except a lot more than I know how to do. I think we'll just use this. Unless we have a mixer, which we might. I know what you're thinking. Why would I have it in the laundry room? Because I'm Janoova, and I keep things in weird places. It might actually be up here above the washing machine. You're getting a rare glimpse. Look! This is my old-fashioned douchebag. Can I just stick it down here when I'm getting some feminine itching and clean myself out? I keep that in here, too. You got your George Foreman grill. Well, there's a cord up here. Wonder what that goes to. Ooh, I'm afraid I'm too short. Do we have a stool? No, probably not. It's my house, I should know. What? Get up on the washing machine? Okay. Here we go! Woo! Okay. I'm sure I have something up here we can mix it all up with. I'll probably, break it or something. What the hell is this? What the fuck? This is my electronic bed pad. Not my bed pad, my bed pan. Just hook that up and it flushes itself. I don't know what it does. Well, I don't know where I keep my mixer, to tell you the truth. It obviously isn't. Ooh. These look like something to dry bananas with. Dehydrate fruit. It could be anywhere. I don't even know if it. Woo! Whoa! That was crazy. Maybe I keep it in here. It would make sense that I would. This is my pantry. This is where I keep some of my old stuff that I eat. Well, wait. Well, here's the box, so I knew I had one. Now, where the hell did I put it? You're getting a rare glimpse of my house. I never show this much on TV. Well, I know I have one up here. I didn't even know I had cabinets up here. Waffle maker. That from my... What was my name? Well... I'm gonna laugh, it's like right here. I'm gonna check my bedroom, because you know what I use my mixers for. Here's my jewelry. Oh, I probably keep it over here with my alcohol. I don't see it. Maybe I keep it in my closet. Should I look in there? I'm afraid to. No. As you can see, I like to motorcycle and horseback ride. I don't know how you can tell that from my clothes, but I do. And travel. There's my iron, but I'm not doing clothes. This is my spectacle. I can't put it in my... Oh! I feel rich. My bed? Under it. Might be there. I'm afraid to look. Oh, in the bag! Oh, those are my pants. Yeah, my hat! Oh, my ass! Oh, never mind. I thought I did something. What is this? It's my alarm clock. That's what that is. Anyway, I think we're just gonna use a spoon because I can't find my mixer anywhere. I feel depressed. Maybe I keep it in the drawer. I know I have one because I have the beaters. You gotta move this. It's not under there, is it? I'm sorry, people at home, for making this show go on for hours, just me looking for a damn mixer. But I just put it... What? We're gonna take a break. What? 18 minutes of tape left? We filmed 18 minutes, just me looking for the damn blend. For sake, I bet it's under here. No, not there. That's where my pants are. I don't know where. Anyway, I don't think it works. Turn it. Push the button. Nothing's happening. What the heck? This doesn't go on here, does it? Screw it. We're just gonna use a spoon. I know, after all this, we're just gonna use a spoon. We might edit like 20 minutes of the show out today. Okay, we're gonna pretend like I just cut. So, well, we're back! And we've got a spoon, because we can't find anything else. So I'm gonna mix this now